Hello guys, good afternoon. The day of my life. Gagawa ako ngayon guys ng food ng asawa ko. Honeybum is going home today. She's fly already. And remember I told that I'm gonna gawa tayo ng pata with white beans. Ito, pinakuluan ko na yan. Pinakuluan ko siya ng onions, garlic, saute. Tapos, pinressure cooker ko. Ngayon, nag-fry ng olive oil with chili, dried chili from El Paso, Texas. My husband bring this, and tomato and carrots and chorizo belbao. So you're gonna make it like this, saute like that. Okay, and then maglalagay tayo ng tomato paste dito. Hahaluan natin ng konting water. I make this because my husband super favorite the beans, so I make that beans with beef, beans with pork. So now I'm gonna put here. And then I put this one. Guys, ganito na siya ngayon. That's the one, guys. Thank you, guys. That's my husband's food for today.